The recently concluded high-profile case between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard continues to make headlines. As the two stars clash, the internet remains largely polarized. But in all this, an unlikely star has emerged. Depp's lawyer, Camille Vasquez, has become a celebrity of sorts. The gorgeous lawyer has garnered quite a fan following. A section of her fans also believe that Camille and Depp's relationship is more than just professional and that the two are dating. Camille was also lauded for her efficient cross-examination of Amber. So let's find out who is Camille Vasquez and what makes the internet rave about her. Camille Vasquez hails from Los Angeles, California, United States. She was born to Lionel Vasquez and Marilla Vasquez on June 6, 1984, and has a sister named Shari Vasquez. She recently turned 37. Camille completed her education at Southwestern Law School and attended the University of Southern California. She started working with Brown Rudnick, LLP, her current employer, as an associate attorney in 2018. The beautiful Camille was born to Colombian and Cuban parents and speaks both English and Spanish fluently. She graduated magna cum laude from the University of Southern California in 2006 with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Communication and Political Science. The tough-talking law expert completed her Juris Doctor from Southwestern Law School in 2010. Camille's legal career has focused on litigation and arbitration, particularly in the representation of plaintiffs in defamation litigation. Apart from Depp, other well-known clients she has represented include Ben Affleck, Leonardo DiCaprio, and Jennifer Lopez. Her current practice focuses on plaintiff-side defamation suits, with additional experience litigating contract disputes, business-related torts, and employment-related claims. She's adept at formulating offensive and defensive litigation strategies for private clients. She also has extensive experience handling parallel reputation management and crisis communications issues arising from these engagements. Camille began her career at the law firm Mannett, Phelps & Phillips in 2017 and moved to Brown Rudnick, one of the world's largest firms by gross revenue, in 2018. Depp hired Brown Rudnick, who has represented him before, for the case against Amber. The trial propelled the lawyer from obscurity to celebrity status within weeks, but that doesn't mean her CV is blank. In 2016, Camille represented Kevin Simmons, a man incarcerated at California State Prison in Los Angeles County, who said a prison guard shot him several times in the leg while he was being assaulted by an inmate. In 2017, she represented Timothy Ashcroft, a man who sued his employer, HEC, alleging breach of contract after being fired just 4 months after relocating to Taiwan, despite being told he would have the job a long time. In 2017, she successfully represented AT&T against a breach of contract claim from a former employee. Back in 2015, she was part of a team that successfully defended several clients in California accused by their neighbors of racial and gender-based discrimination. She was also part of the 2014 team defending an HR management company accused of employment discrimination. In addition to working with a high-profile team of lawyers and for an esteemed law firm, she was also named one of Best Lawyer Magazine's One to Watch Attorneys in 2021. All this brilliance ensured she made the cut to represent Depp through her law firm, which had previously represented the Pirates of the Caribbean star. After wrapping up her cross-examination of Amber Heard, Camille turned to her client and wrapped him in a hug. The moment is immortalized in a photo that has come to encapsulate the most recent phase of the defamation trial, opposing Depp and his ex-wife in Fairfax, Virginia. In the picture, the lawyer's eyes are closed, her smile is blissful, her golden Cartier and Van Cleef & Arpels bracelet shimmer under the courtroom's overhead lighting. Depp is seen from the back in a suit jacket, his hair in a sleek ponytail he's worn since taking the stand as a witness himself, a departure from the earlier days of the trial when he wore his chin-length hair down and Hollywood messy. It's an image of cognitive dissonance, an oddly peaceful snapshot from a contentious, often harrowing trial. The jury heard allegations of sexual assault as well as physical, verbal, and mental abuse. Depp's fans gained momentum in person and online, where the proceedings were inescapable. Advocates and experts expressed concern about how the trial would impact victims of domestic abuse and their perception. In the 6 weeks the trial consumed, Camille became one of the best-known figures among followers of the case. Depp's fans turned to her for the online attention usually reserved for actors and singers. There were celebratory tweets and Instagram fan accounts. Depp supporters waited outside the courthouse, hoping to catch a glimpse of the beautiful lawyer and possibly get their own hug. After Camille cross-examined Amber, a meme reimagined the attorney as Thor, the god of thunder portrayed by Chris Hemsworth in Marvel movies. During the Depp versus Amber case, Camille first gained prominence as a frequent objector during testimony, especially when Depp and Amber themselves took the stand. The cross-examination of the Aquaman star, which took place between the 16th and 17th of May, brought her into the online limelight. Google Trends, a tool made available by Google to measure the popularity of various search terms over time, shows that search interest for the words Camille Vasquez searched from the 16th to 18th of May. Google Trends uses an index in which 100 indicates peak popularity for a search term, and 0 means there wasn't enough data to analyze. Search interest for the query Camille Vasquez jumped from 1 to 28 between the 15th and 16th of May, then further climbed to 59 on the 17th of May and 100 on May 18th. On Instagram, a search of Vasquez's name brings up a handful of fan accounts. Camille Vasquez Official, described as a supporter page for Miss Camille, has over 34,400 followers. Its posts, the oldest of which dates back to the 7th of May, largely consist of photos and video clips of the lawyer around the courthouse. There are other smaller pages including Camille Vasquez, Law Passionate, Camille Vasquez, and Camille Vasquez Official. None appear to have any official affiliation with the lawyer and are present as traditional fan pages. With the exception of Camille Vasquez Official, none of these Instagram profiles has vast followings, but the fact that they exist is remarkable. Attorneys rarely, if ever, intersect in this way with fan culture or to such an extent. Lawyers who represent famous parties in high-profile cases may attend some level of fame. Their names become known. They might do some media interviews, but their clients' fans usually don't start treating them like celebrities in their own right. Donna Rotuno, a lawyer who represents Harvey Weinstein during his criminal trial in 2020, did rise to a level of legal fame at the time, but a query of her name doesn't return any fan account. Gloria Allred, who has represented clients against famous defendants such as Bill Cosby, Donald Trump, and R. Kelly, doesn't appear to have any fan pages on the platform either. On TikTok, the self-described Stan account fan page of Camille Vasquez has over 102,400 followers. Two more fan accounts, respectively, have 14,300 and 9,849 followers. The hashtag Camille Vasquez has over 944 million views on the platform. It seems impossible to separate Camille's newfound fame from the online culture surrounding the trial, which has become so predominant as to seem pervasive. Thanks to her, memes and online clips mocking Amber have become a regular on the web pages. Some people have sought to profit off the trial by selling merchandise expressing anti-Amber sentiment. This level of fame has had real-life consequences for Camille beyond the groups of Depp fans waiting to catch a glimpse of her as she exits the courthouse. On May 18th, a photographer was heard in footage published by TMZ asking the lawyer about online rumors purporting she and Depp might be dating. Camille laughed and declined to answer further. TMZ has previously reported that the rumors are untrue and that the two are definitely not dating, citing sources connected to the lawyer. Camille is not the first American attorney to rise to legal stardom. David Boies, Alan Dershowitz, and Johnny Cochran come to mind. The phenomenon is old enough to have been the subject of some legal literature. Look up celebrity attorneys online and you'll find no shortage of listicles and blog posts about the challenges faced by famous lawyers, along with more academic writing. Following the winning verdict, Vasquez admitted that her newfound fame is a bit overwhelming, but she welcomed it nonetheless. But if I can be an inspiration to young women that want to go to law school and study and work hard, then it was all worth it, she said on Wednesday, June 8th, while appearing with fellow Depp attorney Benjamin Chew on Good Morning America. The winning duo also stopped by the Today Show, and Camille gave a nearly identical statement on the public's fascination. "It's been overwhelming and surreal," she repeated. The good news is that Camille's hard work did pay off at her current place of employment, the high-profile law firm Brown Rudnick, where she was promoted from an associate to partner. Before her promotion, a woman partner at a high-profile law firm in Los Angeles, just a few years older than Camille, said she was very surprised to see she was an associate, considering what she handled at the Depp trial. As for what was next for the brilliant attorney, several sources report that Camille has received a flood of job offers from top Hollywood firms since leading Depp to victory. Talent agents are citing Camille because they recognize that she is the unicorn, a smart, savvy, poised attorney whose impactful performance during the trial propelled her to a rare level of visibility, a source said. And the fact that she is a woman of color is a bonus. Additionally, since the trial wrapped up, Camille has already received offers from several traditional TV networks and cable channels. What a few weeks it has been for the lawyer, she is definitely heading to the top. Or is she already at the top? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more of such amazing content. So be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't get to miss any of them.